Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing window visors on my car. We installed them on KB's car not that long ago, but we're going to install them on mine. We're installing this rear window visor. We already installed it on my car once, but unfortunately the tape fell off. One day it was really windy and it flew off. Luckily it just fell off at work, so I didn't have to worry about anything like breaking or anything like that. But we're going to reinstall this. We installed it when it was cold out, so that's why it fell off. I already cleaned up all the 3M tape and everything like that, but we're just going to pull my car in and then install my window visors. So let's just get right into it. Alright guys, one thing we wanted to show you. We made a couch out of our WRX seat. Andrew's sitting on there right now. Man's kind of dying today, but he's enjoying the couch. He's going to be putting the 3M tape on that thing, because like I said, we already took it off because we had to get new 3M tape. So he's gonna be sitting on our new improved couch.
I got my second COVID shot, so I'm kind of dying right now. So that's why it's kind of gonna be a Josh video today. But I'm gonna put on this 3M tape, sitting on our beautiful couch, and then we'll get on to putting on the window visors.
Alright guys, so we got the back window visor on. I missed this thing. Also, we don't have any vortex generators because the thing that I had flew off too. Kind of seems like everything was flying off my car, but I'm happy I at least have this. Obviously you can still see where my little ones were. I got 3M tape, so I'm going to be doing that maybe this video, maybe not. Depends if you have enough time today. We're going to be putting those things back on. But the window visor looks super good back on. We'll leave a link down below if you guys want it. We already did a video and everything like that, but if you guys want it, we'll link that down below. Now we're going to move into doing the window visors. Alright guys, so we got this one side on. They look super good. One thing, at least with the Mitsubishi ones, there's a little foam pad there to try and make it fit onto there. A little weird, I didn't expect that, but they look super good on this side, so let's get on the other side. Alright guys, so we got this side on now. It looks super good. I'm super excited I can at least have my windows down when I'm driving, because I always love my windows down, especially when it's raining even. We're running a little late today, so we're sorry if this video wasn't that good, but we'll get a couple clips for you, everything like that. But this is pretty much the end of the video. We know it's super short, but they look super. Alright guys, it is the next day. Window visors have been on. They're still on there. They're looking super good. I'll show you guys real quick. Alright, this is what they look like in the daytime. I know yesterday when they get that many good clips, but this is what they look like. I'm super happy with them. Luckily, I never really like rain, but it rained last night and they work super good. But yeah, like I said, they also look cool. If you guys want them for yourselves, we'll link them down below. We're sorry this video was kind of quick. Like Andrew said, he wasn't feeling so good, so it's kind of just me making this video. And when there's just one of us making a video, it's not going to be as good as others. I edited a little bit of the video, and it's not that good, so I'm really sorry for that. We're going to have some really banger videos coming soon. I know we'll be kind of slacking on the videos, but we want to get some better content for you guys, and we have some big mods coming to my car and Andrew's very soon in like the next couple weeks. So the videos next week probably are gonna be pretty good, or at least not the next couple videos. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. For you guys, hope you guys like this mod. If you guys want it for yourself, we always link it down below, so get it down there, and we'll see you guys next video. Peace.